Today's episode of Blacklist Builds, we're working on Serg's 2019 Allroad, and he's going to install the new motor into the engine bay. So anything you changed from the last time? Anything you added?
No.
Just pulled out the motor, right?
Pull out motor. We installed the downpipe, we installed the turbo. Now we have new engine with 1 km because on the previous engine somebody drive on a car without coolant and overheat the engine. After we take the oil pan, we take the PCV valve, we saw a lot of burns that burn the plastic, and after we put new intake, new PCV, new oil pan, we start the engine, warm up the engine, we have a lot of bubbles, that mean air in the system that had gasket done. So I think the old engine aluminum head had deformation, and possible the block, if block had deformation, we need to replace engine because they're not fixable. Now we have 1 kilo engine. We bought the turbo from turbo system. On this turbo, all B9 platform with DCG transmission, we can make 419 horsepower with low torque, because this transmission not hold big torque. That's why VS Performance gonna make a tune with low torque for us, and that's good enough. They made already B9 in Russia, A4, car make 0 to 60, 3.6, 3.5 on that turbo. Just turbo replace, downpipe and intercooler. But we did here in United States 2016 Audi A6 2.0, same engine, but transmission ZF55, this transmission hold big torque. We made 440 horsepower on this turbocharger, and car made 4 seconds, straight 4 seconds, 0 to 60, heavy A6 sedan on a 2.0 engine. Behind they put our plastic oil pan.
Plastic oil pan.
They save money.
Jesus Christ.
And for the engine mounts, they add stability links.
So
see?
This little stability bar link they added to the engine
mounts. Older A6, they make the pieces on a subframe, aluminum, like hard pieces like B8.5, and they put metal piece under to protect everything under the car.
So like the older model, there used to be a piece of aluminum that comes here, right?
That complete aluminum subframe, yes, piece. Very easy to disable the engine and all wires from the ECU.
You also said it was easier to take out, right? It was easier to take out the motor?
Yes. All west gates not hold the pressure, back pressure, and you lost power, you lost boost.
So what are you doing right now?
I need to change one connector broken.
So you're opening up that clip with that screwdriver?
Yes.
Looks like you just open up one of these clips and then you pull out the wire. And on the ends of the wires it has these male type connectors. No, check engine light. Seems okay now. Serg is gonna put in the new fan, replace these front radiator support rails, and then he's gonna send it to the body shop, get the hood, fenders, bumper, everything repaired, sanded, and then he said he's gonna get it wrapped. So I'm excited to see what kind of color this Allroad's gonna be. All right, so the next time we see this car, it's probably gonna be a different color, right, Serg?
Yes, but we'll see which one.
We'll find out. We'll find out in the next episode.